So I want to go through a couple more graphs with you. So number 3, remember inside always goes opposite. So we have a +3, which means we're actually going to go to the left 3. And then the +5 on its outside, you stick with the sign. So we're going to go up 5. Now this time we actually don't have a vertical stretch or compression. A negative sign, if it's just a plain old negative, tells us we're actually going to have a reflection in the x-axis. What that means is the graph is going to flip upside down. So reflection over x-axis is one of our transformations. Then we're going to go left 3 and up 5. So let's go ahead and go left 3, 1, 2, 3, up 5, 2, right here. I'm going to mark that so we know that's our center, our vertex. And then this reflection, the easy way of doing the reflection is you just go, instead of going up 1, we're going to go down 1 because it's a negative. So down 1 to the right and down 1 to the left. And then you just draw your V. You can keep going down 1 to the left and so on, or you can just go from there. So domain, all real numbers again because everything continues to the left and to the right. Range, this time we're going to say y is less than or equal to because there's nothing above this point. And we're going to say this is at +5, so we're going to say y is less than or equal to 5. So if you were writing that in we call it interval notation, you would write it as, you always do the smallest number first, you go bottom first. So our smallest number would be -infinity, and our biggest number would be 5, and we will include the 5. All right, let's do another one. So we're going to do this one. Remember, inside, you're going to go opposite direction, so it's -2, so we'll go to the right 2, +2. And then it's +5, so we'll go up 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Wow, I can't count. There we go. And I'll highlight that so we know that's our vertex. And then let's look at this. So we have a negative, so that's going to be the reflection. And then the 1/3 itself, oops, let me make that smaller. So the 1/3 is going to be a vertical compression. That means it's getting smaller. So we'll have our reflection over x-axis. We'll have our vertical compression of 1/3. That means it's not going to be it's going to be less steep. We're going to go right 2 and up 5. So we already plotted our point. Let's the reflection and compression I do all at once. What I do is I go down 1. I treat this as slope, so I go down 1 to the right 3. So down 1 to the right 3. And I can go the other direction as well. Because each half of this graph is linear from the vertex, that's what I mean, so to the right of the vertex and to the left of the vertex are linear, that's why you can treat this like slope. So domain is all real numbers. Range, once again, our highest point is 5, so we're going to say y is less than or equal to 5, or you can write it as -infinity to +5 with the little bracket to say we're including it.